In this video, we are going to use trigonometric substitution to evaluate an integral, or the following integral is integrate square root of 9 minus x squared divided by 3x squared dx. So we know there are three basic type of substitution, trigonometric substitution. One when we have square root of a squared minus x squared. It seems to be the case that we have here, so we just go ahead and start with the substitution x equal. So we have integral of square root 9 minus x squared divided by 3x squared dx. Remember, we can also write as, let's call this integral I, so that we don't have to be rewriting the whole integral all the time. So 1 over 3 integral of square root of 9 minus x squared over x squared dx. Now let's go with the substitution. Say x is equal to a. A squared is 9, so a is 3 sine of theta. And that means dx is equal to 3 cosine theta, the derivative of sine theta, d theta. And in doing this, we get square root of 9 minus x squared is square root of 9 minus 3 sine theta, all that square. And that means square root of 9 minus 9 sine squared theta. And that means if you factor out 9 in the square root, get 9, 1 minus sine squared theta. And 1 minus sine squared is cosine squared, so square root of 9 cosine squared theta, and that is 3 cosine theta, because square root is of 3 cosine theta squared is 3 cosine theta. And doing this, x squared itself is going to be 9 sine squared theta. So what do we have here? Replacing everything in I, we obtain I equals 1 over 3 integral of, instead of square root of 9 minus x squared, we get 3 cosine theta divided by, instead of writing x squared, we get 9 sine square of theta. And dx is what? Dx is 3 cosine theta d theta. And simplifying, see that 3 and 3 is 3 times 3 is 9. 9 divided by 9 is 1. So, and the integral becomes then 1 over 3 integral of cosine square theta divided by sine square theta d theta. Now it turns out then that we are integrating what? 1 over 1 over 3 integral of, remember, this is the same as cosine theta divided by sine theta, all that square d theta, because you have cosine square over sine square, that means cosine over sine, all that square. And cosine over sine is cotangent. Cotangent square theta d theta. Oh, okay. So this is, we learn how to solve trigonometry integral. And this is equal to 1 over 3. We know that the derivative of cotangent is cosecant square. But there's a relationship between cotangent square and cosecant square. So cotangent square is cosecant square theta minus 1. So d theta. If you don't remember, we have cosine square theta over sine square theta, which is our cotangent theta, is cosine square theta plus sine square theta minus sine square theta, all that divided by sine square theta. And what is cosine plus sine is what? 1 over sine square theta, and then minus, that's good, minus sine square over sine square, which is 1. And that is cotangent square. That means cotangent square is, that means cosecant square theta minus 1, that cotangent square theta. So just if you don't remember the rule. So cotangent square is cosecant square minus 1. So in doing this, that means 1 over 3 integral of cosecant square theta d theta minus 1 over 3 integral of 1 d theta. Okay? So what the derivative of cotangent is cosecant square. So the integral of cosecant square is cotangent. So 1 over 3, sorry, the derivative of cotangent square is negative cosecant square. So in this case, we get negative 1 over 3 cotangent theta and minus 1 over 3 theta d theta, sorry, it's the integral already, so now the plus constant. Now, this is integral, this is r. Remember, we need to convert it back to x. So let's use a triangle to come up with what we want. So say this is theta. And we said x was 3 sine theta. Okay, that means sine theta is x over 3. That means x over 3. And therefore, this has to be 9 minus x squared. Okay, so square root of 9 minus x squared. It means that integral of, okay, square root of 9 minus x squared divided by 3 x squared dx is nothing other than negative 1 over 3. Cotangent, now as we know, cotangent is adjacent over opposite. That means square root of 9 minus x squared divided by x, then plus, is it plus? No, negative 1 over 3 theta. And what is theta in this case? So if we solve, we get theta is sine inverse of x over 3. Okay, sine inverse of x over 3, then plus constant. And that's your final answer.